Okay, so I need to talk about something that has genuinely changed my morning routine, and honestly, I'm a little annoyed it took me this long to find it. If you've been following the K-beauty space at all, you already know that Korean sunscreens are playing an entirely different game than what we grew up with here in the States. But this one? This one is operating on another level entirely. We're talking about the SKIN1004 Madagascar Centella Hyalu-Cica Waterfit Sun Serum SPF 50 PA+++++. Yes, that's a mouthful. Yes, it is absolutely worth every syllable. Let me set the scene. You wake up, you've got your skincare routine, your moisturizer, your SPF, maybe a separate serum, and by the time you're done, you've got 3 to 4 products sitting on your face before you even think about primer or foundation. That's a lot of layers. That's a lot of potential for pilling, for greasiness, for that dreaded white cast that makes you look like you've been haunting a Victorian manor. Sound familiar? Yeah. We've all been there. Here's where SKIN1004 comes in and just quietly dismantles everything. This sun serum is formulated with 2 hero ingredients that you would normally find in your dedicated treatment serums: Centella asiatica and hyaluronic acid. Centella, or Cica, as it's known in the K-beauty world, is one of the most clinically respected soothing and barrier repair ingredients we have in skincare right now. If your skin is sensitized, reactive, or just generally throwing a tantrum, Cica is your best friend. And hyaluronic acid, of course, is the gold standard for drawing moisture into the skin and keeping it there throughout the day. So what SKIN1004 has done is essentially collapse 2 steps of your routine into your SPF. And the texture? Y'all, I cannot overstate this. It goes on like water. Genuinely. It absorbs in seconds, leaves 0 white cast, and I mean 0, which is a big deal especially for medium to deeper skin tones who have been burned, no pun intended, by traditional mineral sunscreens. And there is no greasy film, no heavy finish, nothing. It just disappears into the skin. Now, let's talk comparisons because I know the first question in your head is, how does this stack up against the beauty of Joseon Relief Sun? That one has been the darling of the K-beauty community for a good reason. It's gorgeous, it's got rice and probiotics, and it gives a beautiful semi-dewy finish. I love it. But here's my honest specialist take. If you are wearing makeup over your SPF, the SKIN1004 layers cleaner. It creates a smoother, more neutral canvas. The beauty of Joseon can sometimes add just a touch more luminosity than certain skin types want under a full face of makeup, especially if you're oily or combo. The SKIN1004 sits flatter, grips primer better, and I've noticed significantly less product migration throughout the day. For my dry skin girls, the beauty of Joseon might still edge it out in terms of that dewy glow payoff. But for combination, oily, or acne-prone skin, SKIN1004 is genuinely the move. Now let's talk SPF rating. SPF 50+ with PA+, is the highest UVA protection rating available under the Asian grading system. That 4+ PA rating is not something you commonly see in US drugstore sunscreens, and it matters deeply for preventing hyperpigmentation, premature aging, and long-term sun damage. This is broad-spectrum protection that is actually doing the work. You can find this at Sephora, on Amazon US, and through various K-beauty retailers online. Price point is incredibly reasonable. We're talking under $30 for a product that is genuinely replacing 2 to 3 steps in your routine. My application tip: use 2 to 3 pumps, press it gently into the skin rather than rubbing, let it set for 60 seconds, and then go straight into your primer or tinted moisturizer. No waiting, no fuss. Bottom line, if you are still sleeping on Korean sunscreens, specifically this one, you are leaving real skin health on the table. This is the kind of product that beauty editors quietly recommend to each other and then watch everyone else discover 6 months later. If you found this helpful, subscribe because we are going deep on K-beauty SPF every single week this summer. Drop your current sunscreen in the comments. I want to know what you're working with. Links to everything mentioned are below. I'll see you in the next one.